Imagine waking up to find your entire Bitcoin investment gone, vanished overnight. It's a nightmare that's happened to thousands who didn't secure their crypto. Unlike your bank account, there's no one to call, no insurance, and no way to recover lost Bitcoin. This is the harsh reality of crypto. You are your own bank, and security is everything. Today, we're breaking down the basics of Bitcoin wallets, the first step to protecting your investment. If your Bitcoin is on an exchange, you don't truly own it. The exchange does. If that exchange gets hacked or freezes your account, your funds could be lost forever. That's why understanding wallets isn't optional. It's essential. Self-custody gives you control, but also full responsibility. Without a secure wallet, you're leaving your digital front door wide open. Let's make sure you never become another cautionary tale. Smash that like button and let's dive in. Your financial future depends on it. A Bitcoin wallet isn't a digital piggy bank. It's a tool that manages your private keys. Your Bitcoin lives on the blockchain. The wallet just holds the keys that let you access and spend it. Think of it as your online banking login, but with much higher stakes. When someone sends you Bitcoin, it goes to your wallet's address on the blockchain. Only your private key can unlock and move those funds. The wallet's main job: keep your private key safe and let you sign transactions securely. A good wallet is your fortress. A bad one is a leaky boat. Remember, the wallet doesn't hold coins, just the keys to control them. Many beginners get this wrong. Don't be one of them. Your wallet is your digital identity and security guard in the crypto world. Grasp this, and you're ready for the next step. Let's look at your options. There are two main types of wallets, hot and cold. Hot wallets are connected to the internet. Think mobile apps or web wallets like Exodus or Coinbase. They're convenient for daily use, but more vulnerable to hacks. Treat hot wallets like cash in your pocket. Handy, but not for your life savings. Cold wallets like Ledger or Trezor store your keys offline. They're virtually hack-proof and perfect for long-term storage. Use a cold wallet for your serious savings, your HODL stack. Yes, they cost money, but the security is worth it. For beginners, start with a hot wallet for small amounts. As your investment grows, move to a cold wallet. This two-wallet strategy balances convenience and security. Your wallet uses two keys, public and private. Your public key is like your email address, safe to share so others can send you Bitcoin. Your private key is your password. Never share it, ever. If someone gets your private key, they control your Bitcoin. No recovery, no second chances. Not your keys, not your coins. If you don't control the private key, you don't own the Bitcoin. Most wallets give you a seed phrase, a backup of your private keys. Write your seed phrase on paper and store it somewhere only you can access. Lose your seed phrase and you lose your Bitcoin forever. Guard your private key and seed phrase like your financial life depends on it, because it does. This is the core of crypto security. Understand this, and you're ahead of most beginners. Let's put it into practice. Start simple. Download a trusted hot wallet like Exodus or Blue Wallet. Set it up, back up your seed phrase, and store it safely offline. Practice with a small amount. Send and receive Bitcoin to get comfortable. Use your hot wallet for daily spending, not for long-term storage. Once your holdings grow, buy a hardware wallet directly from the manufacturer. Set up your cold wallet, back up the new seed phrase, and transfer your main funds there. Use two wallets, hot for spending, cold for saving. Take control of your security. Don't trust anyone else with your keys. Bitcoin gives you freedom, but only if you protect it. Let me know your wallet setup in the comments, and stay safe out there.